What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I got a jam-packed video for you guys. So if you're ready to make some money this week, please let me know down in the comments below. Also, make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, listen, family. Coach want to get right into it. I want to share with you guys. More importantly, you know how I do. I'm going to show you what I want you guys to be considering during these times, okay? I'm going to talk about 7 stocks that you guys could potentially be showing interest in based on the recent sell-offs and the decline in price. But I'm going to also show you what I'm buying, how I'm buying, and how you guys can do the same, okay? So listen, if you guys are ready to make some money this week, make sure you are inside of the Patreon/Discord, okay? We're going to hit the ground running out the gate, and everybody else consider joining the money team, okay? Let's go ahead and dive into it, man. Listen, okay, guys, it is important on the journey. All right, listen, I got SCHD pulled up. Oftentimes, you guys need to know what stocks that you need to be in, or you just need to have a solid portfolio. Everybody take your eyes to this. This is SCHD, one of my favorite stocks, one of the best stocks, and it does well in conditions like we're currently in, okay? Now let's go through here so I can show you what I'm buying, okay? We have a current position, and I gotta take you guys under the hood because I need you, if you're going to emulate something, you gotta emulate the right stuff for me, okay? Check this out. We always wanna get at least 1,000 shares max, 100 shares minimum. But listen, you can take bites of the apple, okay? You take bites of the apple at a time. So what does that mean, coach? For example, guys, you could be buying, it's currently $33, all right? You could be buying 5 shares. You can be having reoccurring daily purchases of $5. You can buy $35 worth, $50 worth, $100 worth, okay? But over time, you want to see this do what it do. Check this out, and guys, follow this for me, okay? This is how we dominate. And coach don't care nothing about these conditions. We get busy during these conditions. And what I notice is a lot of people lose their shirt during these conditions, okay? It's levels for a reason, all right? I'm gonna check this out. We got an average cost of $25.88. And year to date, we are up 29%. Guys, coach smokes Wall Street, okay? I smoke the suits because it's about positioning, it's about knowing what stocks to be in, and that's what I want to talk to you guys about today. So, okay, we got a daily buy of $50. Look at this, okay? Look it down here. We got a daily buy of $50. We're always buying. Always be buying. ABB. Write this down. ABB. When you have a good quality company, especially you're invested in for the long term, you should always be buying. Now listen to this. Look at this. I got this at $25. It's currently $33. I'm up nearly 30%. So you don't have to buy as much as you did at $25. So say at $25, and I got this lower than this, but again, all these purchases, it also raised your average cost a little bit too, okay? But it's not about that. This is going to be a long-term winner. It's going to surpass your full-time job. It's going to do all those. It has done all those things, okay? But that's for those that are playing the long game and the right game, not gambling, not trying to get rich quick, okay? So look, really quickly, guys, before we dive into what's next, you want to always be buying, okay? You want to always be buying more of your quality winners along the way too, okay? These are important nuggets to know, all right? So SCHD, everybody do me a favor. Let me know if you have this. If you do, how many shares you have, and then what's your average cost, and then let me know if you beat coach. Let me know if you got lower than $25.88. Mind you, my average cost was lower. I used to have this at 24, 22, but remember, I'm always buying, okay? Look, every day I buy $50 worth, okay? Because this is going to make, look, just think about getting, just think when I get 100K in this, okay? Think about getting a 30% return on 100K. And in my big portfolio, I do this with $10 million. Think about getting 30% on 10 million. Think about getting 5% on 10 million. You guys get what I'm trying to teach you? Okay, I got to show you with a number that's doable for everybody, so that when you get to the big leagues and your big portfolio, you know you can do this on a larger scale. Let me know if that's understood, okay? Now check this out, guys. Some other stocks that we want to make sure we are taking advantage of. If you was a firm believer in the memory, in the AI boom, and now they have pulled back 20, 40, 50% in some cases, or they're in correction territory, or some might even be in a bear market, guys, you gotta be ready and able to see which ones you want to go shopping with, okay? It's important, and don't miss the opportunity, okay? So these are the times where you want to make sure that you know, okay, here's my list. Here's my list of companies that I want to make sure that I take a huge interest in. And it might only be one or two. And that's the thing I want you guys to understand. Guys, you don't have to try to buy everything just because everything is down at once. You have to still know out of the bunch, you know what, I'm going with Micron and Microsoft. You know what, I'm going to go with Apple and AMD. I'm going to go with APLD and SoFi. Whatever your mix is, there's no right or wrong. The simple thing about it is to have a plan. And then you got to stand 10 toes down on that plan and stand in it no matter what, okay? And so listen, some of the 7 stocks to buy now, okay? Obviously, SCHD is one, okay? Write these down for me, guys. Then you got SMH. I want everybody to have that ETF. SMH. S as in Sam, M as in Michael, H as in Harry, okay? SMH. I need that ETF for you guys. Also, the QQQ, okay? And or the SPY, okay? These are foundational pieces of your portfolio that you want to have. Then I need you to have a quality runner. I need you to have a blue chip. Okay, so for example, what are some of those, Coach? My winner has been Google. And you guys know, I've showed it to you. I have walked this down with you guys. We got Google at $92. We took it to 120, but it took off from 120 to where it's at now. So I'm up over 100% in my Google play, and I got my stop loss on, my trailing stop loss on for the event that it come down, but it hasn't came down significantly like some of these other plays, okay? Another winner would be AMD, okay? Another one I want you guys to consider, you need to be, again, keeping your eye on Meta, Microsoft, and Nvidia. Out of those 3, okay? And then you gotta have your runners, okay? You gotta have your young guns, okay? The young guns for you are Wolf, WULF. This is way more than 7, okay? APLD, okay? OCLO, OKLA, okay? Okta, OKTA, okay? These are just some that you want to let, and then do not sleep on healthcare and do not sleep on energy when conditions changes and or shift for me, okay? Guys, you got to be flexible and nimble in this game. This is why diversification matters, and it comes into play during certain time periods and seasons of the market, okay? So again, just keep that in mind. But listen, guys, I want to say major salute. I got your screenshots last week, and let me tell you what I was loving the most, okay? Wesley, Porter, I got a few of you guys that hit me up, okay? Let me tell you what Coach was loving most. Those of you that I know that's been rocking with me since 2020, those of you that were showing the ability to be flexible and nimble, and all of you that made money when stocks went down. So many people made life-changing money off of Apple, I think Tesla. I'm talking about to the downside. You know I'm loving that, because around here, guys, the reason why the game is lonely for me outside of being with you guys is there's not a lot of elite level traders like myself. So a lot of people don't know how to make money when the market go down or when stock prices go down. And so because of that, it get quiet. It get real spooky in the streets. But for me, I'm looking like, man, I don't want to shake and rock the boat too much, but I'm looking like, man, every day in the Discord, I call these levels out. You guys could be changing your life just off of playing the spy and tussle. You ain't gotta do nothing else in the market. You ain't gotta chase none of the other shiny objects in the market. Just play what Coach calls in the huddle every day inside the Patreon/Discord. Okay. Matter of fact, get in there, be in there, and bring your A game while you're in there. Okay. And everybody else consider joining the money team. Listen, guys, I'm gonna get you up out of here. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stuff using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.